Imagine this. You're hurtling through space. Destination Neptune. The vast, cold expanse of the cosmos stretches out before you, a seemingly endless void punctuated by distant stars. Your mission? To reach the icy giant, Neptune, a planet shrouded in mystery and danger. As you approach, the blue and green hues of its atmosphere come into view, swirling with violent storms and turbulent winds. This is no ordinary journey. It's a one-way ticket to the edge of human experience. The icy giant, cloaked in azure and sapphire, promises a death more spectacular than any back-alley knife fight. Its atmosphere, a chaotic blend of hydrogen, helium, and methane, creates a mesmerizing yet deadly dance of colors. The temperatures here are unimaginably cold, plunging to -214 degrees Celsius. The winds howl at speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound. This is a place where survival is not just unlikely, it's impossible. Yet for a cyberpunk, this is the ultimate stage for a grand finale. This isn't suicide, it's a cyberpunk's grand finale. A final act of defiance against a world that never understood you. In the neon-lit streets of Earth, you were just another face in the crowd, a cog in the machine. But here, on Neptune, you are a pioneer, an explorer of the ultimate unknown. Your journey is a testament to the indomitable human spirit, a refusal to go quietly into the night. Forget the neon-drenched alleys and data streams of Earth. They are but a distant memory now. A world left behind in pursuit of something greater. The digital noise, the endless streams of information, the ceaseless hum of technology. All of it fades away as you draw closer to Neptune. Here, there are no distractions, no escape. Just you and the planet, locked in a final, deadly embrace. We're diving headfirst into the ultimate unknown. The descent into Neptune's atmosphere is a harrowing experience. The spacecraft shudders and groans under the immense pressure, the heat shields glowing red-hot as they fend off the planet's ferocious winds. Every second feels like an eternity as you plummet deeper and deeper into the abyss. But there's no turning back now. This is the point of no return. Neptune, with its howling winds and diamond rain, is the ultimate test of human resilience, or perhaps its ultimate folly. The planet's storms rage with a fury unmatched anywhere else in the solar system. Lightning flashes illuminate the dark clouds, casting eerie shadows across the landscape. And then there's the diamond rain, a phenomenon so bizarre, it sounds like something out of a science fiction novel. Methane in the atmosphere, subjected to extreme pressure, transforms into diamonds that fall like rain. It's a beautiful, deadly spectacle. Or perhaps its ultimate folly. As you reflect on your journey, you can't help but wonder if this was all a mistake. The allure of Neptune, with its promise of a spectacular end, was too great to resist. But now, faced with the reality of the planet's harsh conditions, doubt begins to creep in. Was this really the grand finale you envisioned, or just a fool's errand? So, strap in, Chrome Jockey. The ride is far from over. The final descent is the most dangerous part of the journey. Every system in your spacecraft is pushed to its limits as you navigate the treacherous atmosphere. The controls vibrate violently under your hands, the cockpit filled with the deafening roar of the wind. But you hold on, determined to see this through to the end. Let's break down the science of self-destruction, cyberpunk style. The technology that brought you here is a marvel of human ingenuity. Advanced propulsion systems, heat-resistant materials, and cutting-edge navigation software. All of it working in unison to deliver you to your final destination. But even the best technology has its limits. As you descend, the strain on your spacecraft becomes unbearable. Systems begin to fail, alarms blaring as critical components give out one by one, as we plummet into the icy heart of a gas giant. The final moments are a blur of chaos and destruction. The spacecraft breaks apart, pieces of debris scattering in the wind. You feel a moment of weightlessness as you are ejected into the atmosphere, the cold seeping into your suit, and then silence. The journey is over. Neptune has claimed another soul, but in those final moments, you achieved something extraordinary. You ventured where few have dared to go, and in doing so, you became a legend. First, a taste of serenity. You breach the atmosphere, a thin veil of methane ice crystals painting the sky in hues of turquoise and indigo. The sunlight, a distant memory, casts an ethereal glow. Don't be fooled. This ethereal beauty is a siren's song. The temperature is a frigid -200 degrees Celsius, and the air, a toxic cocktail of hydrogen, helium, and methane, is already beginning to claw at your suit. Gravity, your only companion, pulls you deeper. The silence, however, is about to be shattered. The descent becomes a blur. The winds, whipped into a frenzy by Neptune's internal heat, scream past you at supersonic speeds. These aren't earthly gusts. These are monstrous forces capable of ripping apart metal and bone. The pressure intensifies, a vice slowly squeezing the air from your lungs. Ammonia and hydrogen sulfide clouds, thick and suffocating, engulf you. The darkness becomes absolute, broken only by the faint electrical crackle of a storm brewing in the distance. This is where the real fun begins. Deeper still, and the pressure becomes unimaginable. The temperature skyrockets. You've entered a realm of superheated liquid, a bizarre soup of water, methane and ammonia ices. And then, the diamonds. Yes, diamonds. Under these extreme conditions, carbon atoms crystallize, forming a dazzling, deadly rain. A fitting spectacle for your final act. Section 5. The heart of the giant Neptune's inhospitable core. Finally, you reach the core. A solid mass of rock and ice compressed to unimaginable densities. The heat is unbearable, the pressure insurmountable. Here, in this alien inferno, the very laws of physics seem to warp and twist. Your body, crushed and vaporized, becomes one with the heart of the giant. Congratulations, Cyberpunk! You've reached the end of the line. Section 6. The impossibility of survival, a grim reality check. Let's be clear, this journey is a one-way ticket. Once you leave the safety of Earth, there's no turning back. The vastness of space is unforgiving, and the destination, Neptune, is even more so. The journey itself is fraught with dangers, from cosmic radiation to the psychological toll of isolation. But the real challenge begins when you arrive. No amount of cybernetic enhancements or genetic modifications could prepare you for the horrors of Neptune. Scientists have tried to imagine ways to adapt the human body to such extreme conditions, but the reality is far more daunting. The human body, even with the most advanced technology, is simply not built to withstand the brutal environment of this distant planet. The pressure alone would crush you instantly. Imagine the deepest parts of Earth's oceans, where even the most robust submersibles are at risk of being crushed. Now multiply that pressure many times over, and you begin to get an idea of what Neptune's surface is like. It's a force that no human, no matter how enhanced, could ever hope to survive. The temperatures would melt your bones before you could blink, and the toxic atmosphere. It's a cocktail of deadly gases that would sear your lungs and poison your blood. The heat is so intense that it would reduce even the strongest materials to molten slag in seconds. Survival here is not just improbable, it's impossible. Consider it a final, fatal kiss. The atmosphere of Neptune is a swirling maelstrom of toxic gases, each more deadly than the last. It's a place where every breath could be your last, where the very air is a weapon. The idea of living here is not just a challenge, it's a death sentence. But hey, who said anything about surviving? This mission isn't about finding a new home or even about survival. It's about pushing the boundaries of human exploration, about going where no one has gone before, even if it means certain death. It's about the thrill of the unknown, the allure of the ultimate challenge. This is about going out in a blaze of glory, a final defiant act of human will. It's about making a statement, about showing that even in the face of insurmountable odds, the human spirit remains unbroken. It's about the ultimate sacrifice, the willingness to face certain doom for the sake of discovery, a testament to the human spirit's insatiable desire to explore, to push beyond the limits of what is known and venture into the unknown. It's about the drive to conquer new frontiers, to plant a flag on distant worlds, to reach the peaks of uncharted territories. It's about the relentless pursuit of knowledge, no matter the cost, even in the face of certain doom. Because in the end, it's not about the destination, but the journey. It's about the courage to take that one-way ticket, to face the unknown with open eyes and an unyielding heart. It's about the legacy we leave behind, the stories that will be told of our daring and our determination. This is the essence of human exploration, the drive to go beyond, to see what lies over the horizon, even if it means facing the grim reality of our own mortality. Section 7. Beyond the data streams, a glimpse into the unknown. So why Neptune? Why not a black hole or a supernova? Because Neptune in all its chaotic glory represents the ultimate unknown. It's a world of extremes, a place where the laws of nature are pushed to their breaking point. It's a place where data streams fail and only raw, visceral experience remains. And for a cyberpunk, that's the ultimate high. Section 8. The allure of the void, why Neptune beckons. There's a certain allure to the void, a siren song that calls to the restless and the curious. It's a call that transcends time and space, echoing through the corridors of human history. It's the same primal urge that drove our ancestors to explore uncharted seas and conquer unclimbed mountains. The same spirit that led them to cross vast deserts and navigate through dense jungles. This insatiable curiosity is woven into the very fabric of our being. Neptune is our generation's final frontier. It's a distant world, shrouded in mystery and wonder, waiting to be explored. The planet's deep blue hue and swirling storms captivate our imagination, drawing us in like moths to a flame. It's a challenge, a dare, a middle finger to the vastness of space. It's a testament to our unyielding spirit and our refusal to be confined by the limits of our current knowledge. The journey to Neptune is not just a physical voyage, but a symbolic one as well. It's a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming odds, we still yearn to push the boundaries of what's possible. And who knows? Perhaps the secrets of Neptune hold the key to unlocking new realms of understanding and innovation. Maybe, just maybe, somewhere out there, in the swirling chaos of Neptune's atmosphere, something incredible awaits discovery. It could be a new form of life, a groundbreaking scientific revelation, or a resource that could revolutionize our way of life. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes the journey so enticing. As we prepare to embark on this monumental journey, we must remember that exploration is not just about the destination, but the journey itself. The challenges we face, the obstacles we overcome, and the discoveries we make along the way all contribute to our growth and evolution as a species. So, as we set our sights on Neptune, let us embrace the unknown with open hearts and minds. Let us honor the legacy of those who came before us and pave the way for future generations of explorers. The allure of the void is strong, and Neptune beckons us to answer its call. Section 9. Conclusion, a cyberpunk's farewell. So, as you stand on the precipice of oblivion, staring into the abyss of Neptune's atmosphere, remember this. You are not just a collection of flesh and bone. You are a cyberpunk, a pioneer, an explorer of the unknown. Embrace the chaos. Embrace the unknown. Embrace the end. This is your cyberpunk's guide to planetary suicide. Godspeed, and may your data streams find peace in the void.